Good morning, Beshies, and welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. Andito na ulit ngayon ang inyong Ate Jaja for today's vlog, Beshies. Andito tayo ngayon sa Solaire because finally, napuntahan ko na ang Friends Experience, the one in Manila. So, solo travel lang ako, but may nakilala akong bagong friends, si Jill and si Anna. Anna, right? Anna, yan. So, diba, kaming tatlo yung magkakasama, mga solo traveler kami. And yun, ang saya lang na experience. Nag-janad lang ako and happy kasi konti lang yung tao ngayon. So, nakakatuwa.
And Ross, look at them. They're hot. They're young. They're like me. Why is she here? Monica and Rachel live in this truly mammoth New York City apartment. Chandler and Joey live in this less large but equally comical New York City apartment. You'll get to see them both.
Wow, I can so easily freak out right now.
Many fans watch Friends for the jokes. Oh, this is a good one. Seven! Others are obsessed with Ross and Rachel's relationship. For 10 seasons, we watched love bloom into this resilient, magnificent...
Once you're done with the station, you need to move on to the next, alright? Even if the sets are empty, we are not allowed to go back. As per us, we are not allowed to leave on. Okay? Next one. Do you guys remember?
Finally got to visit the Friends Experience here in Manila, Beshies. Matagal ko na ito nakikita online and finally natuloy na akong pumunta. And honestly, ang saya niyang puntahan in person. I've been a huge Friends fan talaga for a very long time and paulit-ulit kong pinapanood ang series nila nung nasa Netflix pa. As you walk through the space, makikita talaga dito yung different areas inspired by the show. Hindi man siya exact scenes or full sets every time, pero ang ganda ng pagka-curate and ang daming details na very familiar sa ating lahat ng mga Friends fan. I spent a lot of time just taking photos, reading the displays, and just enjoying the vibe of the whole place. I'm glad na pumunta ako during weekdays at 10 o'clock a.m. kasi the tour is not rushed at all. Para lang ako talagang casually walking through a fun, nostalgic space na perfect for fans or kahit mga casual viewers lang. It's one of those attractions na hindi mo naman kailangan talagang i-analyze. Kailangan lang talaga mag-enjoy, take ng pictures, and laugh a little, and appreciate the effort put into creating something for fun. OMG, ito na guys, the pivot moment, as in every Friends fan knows this scene by heart. Sobrang iconic, makita talaga nito in real life. Ang best part dito, Beshies, ay ang may nakilala talaga akong new friends kasi meron akong kasama na mag-picture and of course mag-video. Ito pala yung isa sa mga bagong friends na na-meet ko, si Jill. And ang nakakatuwa pa, same kami ng company and pareho kaming mahilig tumakbo. So ayan, meron na akong bagong kasamang ibubudol sa aking mga future travels and of course sa aking running. Kayo, Beshi, sino ang paborito niyong Friends cast? Ako talaga si Joey ang paborito ko. Second would be Chandler, Phoebe, and then we have here Rachel, Monica, and Ross. Sorry, Ross! Sa mga fans dyan ni Ross, huwag kayong magalit. Just because siya yung last na binanggit ko doesn't mean hindi ko gusto yung character niya. Actually, I will never forget yung scene kung saan binilhan niya ng bike si Phoebe. Sobrang genuine and sobrang bait niya doon. I really wish na ibalik ni Netflix Philippines ang Friends kasi yun talaga yung very comforting na show ko. As in, paulit-ulit ko talaga siyang pinapanood, Beshies. Sobrang relaxing lang. And ito syempre yung isa sa mga favorite part natin, ang kitchen ni Monica. And that's the end of our friends tour, Beshi. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. But continue lang kayo sa panonood, guys. Kasi of course, papakita ko po sa inyo yung gift shop and souvenirs na mabibili nyo dito sa Friends Experience, the one in Manila.
Umalis talaga. Thank you, sis! So, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, guys, sobrang huge fan ako ng Friends. Like, paulit-ulit ko siyang pinapanood. Unfortunately, tinanggal siya sa Netflix. So, yun, hindi ko na siya napapanood. But sa TikTok na lang, sana magkaroon ako ng CD or anything na pwede ko siyang i-replay. Or sana ibalik na lang siya sa Netflix. But, ito guys, yung gift shop nila. So, tour ko kayo sa gift shop. Meron silang umbrella. Ang umbrella nila is 900 pesos. So, syempre merong Hugsy. Ayan, may Hugsy tayo sa bahay. Meron din ito. I think it's, ref magnet. Ang cute! Ref magnet. Yung ref magnet na to is for, walang price. Walang price. Then, meron tote bag. Oh, ang cute! And then yan, meron silang mga notebook. And, ano to? Ref magnet din ba to? Ay, pen. Nalagay sa damit. So yan, may babe. Ang cute ng baby. Ang cute. And of course, si Hugsy here. And then, meron silang tumbler. And then, frame. Oh my gosh, parang gusto kong bumili ng frame. Nalagay ko yung picture namin ni boyfriend. Ang cute! Oh! Then, may shirt din. And of course, yung shirt nila. Ang ganda. Beshies, tapos na ang ating vlog today. Oh my gosh, I had so much fun. Ang saya ng experience na, alam niyo na, nahihiya lang ako. Pero naiyak talaga ako, guys. Kasi sobrang fun talaga ako ng Friends. So, the fact na meron siya dito sa Manila, sobrang saya ko na nakita ko siya. So, yun. Ang ganda ng mga pictures ko. So, if you're following me on Instagram, dun yung makikita yung mga pictures na i-upload ko. Basta sobrang, sobrang saya. Sobrang saya ng experience. Like, it feels so surreal talaga. And I'm so happy kasi may na-meet din ako mga bagong friends. So, parang alam niyo yun, kahit may nagpipicture, instant friends talaga. So, ang galing lang talaga ng moment na to. And yung isa sa kanila, ka-work ko pa. So, same company kami. So, nakakatawa na na pareho kami ng pinagtatrabahuhan. But anyway, that's the end of our vlog today. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. My heart is so happy. Sana yung boyfriend ko tsaka yung mama ko kasi, diba, para mas maganda yung mga pictures together with them. But, anyway, yun lang. For our next ganap naman today, pupunta ako sa Astoria kasi meron naman kaming events office. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed our Friends vlog. Do not forget to hit like and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Follow and like my Facebook and Instagram page as well. Ang link ay nasa description down below. Stay safe, stay happy, and stay healthy sa inyo at sa inyong baong family. God bless us all and see you on my next vlog. Bye!